Most heartwarming animals reunion with their owners that will touch your heart. Nothing is more heartbreaking than having to part with your beloved animal friend, and nothing compares to the feeling of embracing them once again. Today's video will show you the most touching reunions between animals and humans. So hit the subscribe button to start right away.
Who's that?
There's no doubting a dog's love when every action of theirs speaks volumes with "love you" as much as possible.
Beautiful daddy. Oh, that's the first time she ever did that. Go get him, baby. Go get him, baby. So exciting. Yes. Go get him. She's gonna go look out the window. Oh, she's waiting to smile at you.
I just seen you here.
Yes.
What were you doing? Why are you being so goofy? Huh? Why are you being so goofy, Zeke? Piggyback ride. Piggyback ride. Piggyback ride.
It's a heartwarming reunion between a lion and the person who raised it since it was a cub. It shows that even the most dangerous animals can be loyal to you.
Who's there? Yeah.
He can learn to move on two legs to express excitement and longing every time he sees his owner come home.
Gosh, that's my girl. Oh, come here.
Say jump. Just jump. Yeah, see? She learned jump.
No bite, no bite.
Look who came back. Oscar.
Oscar returned after he was rescued from his younger years. They will have a lot to catch up on.
Okay, buddy. Oh, he's back.
That's Oscar.
Hi, Oscar.
This man befriended a random camel at a roadside farm. He often returns every week to visit his new friend.
Come here. He's coming. He's coming. Come here. Come here. You maybe got something to eat.
I don't think he wants the dead grass.
You missed me too. I missed you too. Oh, yeah. Good. Bye.
And from this moment on, they no longer have to miss each other because they've reunited. Those are two of the most wonderful hugs I have ever seen. What about you?
No, I've seen it before.
For those who seek the answer, it's love.
Sissy! Hi, baby!
This man adopted a veteran dog, as if reuniting and returning to a place he once cherished. But in reality, it was a deeply emotional encounter between the two unfamiliar souls. From the moment Artie arrived at the farm, he chose Chris as his new foster mom. They have truly built a strong bond.
Aw.
Where's Darcy? Pretty bird. Papa.
Is it Papa?
Here he is.
Oh, despite the chair, he came right to you.
Nice.
The love for an animal and its reciprocation is something to cherish. Just look at how the parrot cuddles its owner after 3 months in the hospital. You'll surely wish for such a special friend of your own.
Hello. Oh, you're a good boy.
No need for any perfect strategy. Winning his heart was as simple as this fawn.
Give kisses. Give some kisses.
The rugged appearance of his close friend also became enduring in the man's eyes. It seems the horse has practiced its steps for a long time, waiting for his moment. The glass wall cannot divide sincere friendship because emotions can be the most powerful weapon. The love a dog has for a human is truly unconditional. Embrace your four-legged friend immediately if they are sitting beside you. A priceless friendship between a volunteer and a monkey he rescued from starvation. They only met once a year when the circus comes to town. It's a precious bond between animal and human.
It's funny, you know, 1 year,
Oh, this is
1 year and
heartbreaking.
now
She knows that this is him.
How old is he?
Oh,
Well, look at him. He's kissing you. He's
this is
kissing you.
unbelievable.
Bubba's! Just my boy! Come here! I missed you too. Hi. Yum, yum, yum.
Moving to a different city brought this cat many new experiences, but none can compare to a mother's love. When love fills a lion, it's even hard to tell it apart from a kitten. This dog genuinely wished it could run faster to embrace its owner sooner. Every minute spent with their owner is precious. Animals sense who is good intuitively, and she was right. Faced with fire, what he cared most about was the safety of his cat. The only thing this lion never forgot was his caretaker, who used sweetness to nurture him. After 10 months apart, the dog still recognizes his family. Finally, the family of 5 reunited. Home is a paradise of happiness when you know you're always welcomed by your loved ones there. Through all hardships, moments of reunion between humans and animals are always the most precious. Let's share the happiness and the warmth from these special relationships by sharing this video with your loved ones. And before we say goodbye, don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any other interesting videos.